Sometimes it seems like selfishness is baked into our society. But really, it's altruism that has had us succeed as a species. Looking out for others or being prosocial is actually what keeps our relationships and society healthy, which keeps the noosphere healthy, and therefore keeps us healthy too. The noosphere, the network that connects humanity through thought and ideas, exemplifies how our actions and our structures affect others. Because we are inherently connected, how we choose to act in the world has ripple effects. When we succeed, that impacts others. Thriving teams support thriving organizations. Thriving organizations support thriving societies. And thriving societies support a thriving noosphere, which we then get to live in, experience, and enjoy. So how do we ensure our teams and organizations are prosocial so we can all thrive? Nobel Prize winner Eleanor Ostrom created a list of essential ingredients, also known as core design principles, for functional prosocial teams. And those teams support a functional prosocial world. So if you want to ensure your group works well, build in these elements. Number 1, strong group identity and shared sense of purpose. Why is this group meaningful to us? What values does it represent? Who is a member? What are our specific objectives? The more we can answer these questions, the better our groups will work. Number 2, equitable distribution of benefits and resources. It's not fair or sustainable for some members to do the work while others get the benefits. What we get from the group must be proportional to what we give. Number 3, inclusive decision-making. All group members should have a say in decisions that affect them. This makes use of everyone's wisdom and guards against unfairness. Number 4, transparency of behavior. A group needs accountability so we know that we are doing what we agreed upon. Number 5, graduated responses to helpful and unhelpful behaviors. Nothing feels better than to have your positive contributions acknowledged. Friendly reminders are often sufficient to correct unhelpful behaviors, but it must also be possible to escalate responses when necessary. Number 6, fast and fair conflict resolution. Conflicts will occur and need to be resolved in a process that is fair to all parties. In a dispute, most people think that they have a legitimate point of view. Number 7, authority to self-govern. Group members must have appropriate elbow room to manage their own affairs. Agency is a basic human need. Number 8, appropriate relations with other groups. These core design principles are needed to govern between group relations, in addition to within group relations, all the way to relations among nations and multinational corporations within the global village. Even working on one of these areas makes a difference. The ripple effects go both ways. If one part of the team doesn't work, that affects the collective or the organization, which affects society, which affects the noosphere. So if one part starts working better, that helps the common good. Working in teams can challenge us, and it's those challenges that have enabled humanity to invent new possibilities, solutions, and realities. And it's our approach to those ideas that shapes our ideas, our lives, and our noosphere. We are prosocial. Becoming part of something larger than ourselves is our superpower.